This is playful Beau. He's just 8 months old. He's adorable. He loves to play, but he loves to snuggle too. In fact, he lets me hold him just like a baby, you know, upside down with his belly facing upwards and his cute little face right there so you can give him kissies. Beau is fixed. He is a healthy, happy, well-adjusted pet who likes other cats, loves to play. He's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Just 8 months old, did I mention? And he can be yours. He is available right now. You want that toy? Do you want that toy? Huh? You want that toy? So stop by Noah's Kingdom and meet Beau. Again, he is just 8 months old. Playful, lovable, beautiful kitty cat. And I think we're going to play. So I'll end this video. Beau and I are going to play with some cat toys. Catch you later. Thanks for watching. I know. You need me to help?